allegations of land fraud on a piece of land owned by Swara Wildlife Conservancy in Lukenya, Machakos County. The four were released on 200,000 shillings cash bail after their advocate Cliff Ombeta cited lack of enough evidence to detain them. Faith Charles with more on the corridors of justice.
The four, namely Papuyes Mureithi, Sebastian Sikenye, Geoffrey Nyakweba and Timothy Chuba, were presented before Principal Magistrate Charles Ondiek over land fraud allegation on a piece of land owned by Swara Wildlife Conservancy in Machakos. According to the investigation officer Kipkorir Kirui, some witnesses had not recorded statements and that some letters have been written to Ardhi House, Nairobi, Survey of Kenya Wildlife Services, to confirm the title that was presented by Swara Wildlife Conservancy.
I'm applying for 5 days for the 4 suspects to be detained at Machakos police station. So for the application for 5 days, we have not done, but we have not got a statement for some witnesses. Also, we have written some letters. We have written letters to Ardhi House, Nairobi, Survey of Kenya, Kenya Wildlife Service.
The 4 suspects were represented by Advocate Cliff Ombeta, told the court that there was no evidence presented to the court to prove that there was an offense committed, but a show of favorism despite being given some documents to put to the respondents in cell, thus a sign of malice.
There is even nothing that has been put before you to show that there is any offense that has been committed. But what do? They show you some favoritism. They say that they have been given documents by a complainant. First of all, if the respondents had documents, it would come from one person, not 4 of them. So 3 of them suffer because of an allegation.
However, Magistrate Ondiek ordered that the 4 should be released on a cash bail of 200,000 shillings on each. The suspects will be back for a mention and a plea on the 8th of April, and that if they fail to pay cash bail, they will be detained in Machakos Police Station. Faith Charles, Look Up TV.